Hi. How's it going? Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. What's up? Hello. Hello. Hi. How's it going? Today, I'm going to go and fix the tree. Check this out. This guy didn't turn on. So, I go over here and I look. It makes sense why it doesn't turn on. What do we have here? Oh, I think this was the kitties, to be honest. I just need to cut here and cut there and then put some tape over it. Rib tree, we will fix you, little guy. We will fix you, okay? Don't cry. Don't cry.
For years my limbs stretched to the sky, a nest for birds to sit and sing.
I got a waffle with Nutella. I have a food baby. It's all in here now. Here's your mouth into the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, colon, transverse colon, and then the anus. Suena mal, pero descansa el animal. Sounds bad, but the animal rests. Calm down. Calm down. Puppy got big. Yeah. She's 6 months old. Do you see this dog? Like, do you see how fluffy she is? She's like a big, real-life teddy bear. Who's a fluffy doggo? Who's a fluffy doggo? Oh, I'm a fluffy doggo. But she's so cute. She's my best friend. Sit. Stay. Stay there. Go. Good girl. Give me a hand. Hand. The other one. Good girl. Who's a good doggy? This is Maya. And she loves butt slaps. Milo, I need my chair. You gotta move. He's not being crushed. He has so much space, look at that. Milo, get off. You're too cute. There you go. Ah, where's my little boy? This is hard to admit, but I think there's something wrong with me. I'm kind of like obsessed with World of Warcraft. I kept having WoW dreams and I think I have a problem. Thanks, Blizzard. So my name is Luna. And that's just one leg. I have another one here. Not even my cat likes me.